Dana. Today, we're doing a marshmallow experiment.
Hello, I'm Roro. Microwave scan is ready.
Here's a soft, squishy marshmallow.
Estimated brisk low set time to 20 seconds.
Okay, let's do it carefully and go. Oh, it's growing. It's growing.
Expansion level 280%.
It looks like a fluffy cloud. Cool. It's so big and squishy. Let me poke it. It's like a bouncy pillow.
Squishiness level 97%. Temperature hot and gooey. Recommend cool down before bite.
It's a little hot, but yummy.
Texture analysis outer crispy, inner gooey. Dana's satisfaction 95 points.
So marshmallows in the microwave get big and squishy.
But warning, too long burnt.
What if we freeze a soda and shake it? See you in the next experiment. Don't forget to subscribe.